Welcome to Level Up Mechanics. My name is Chris, and today's video is going to be really quick, super simple, won't require any tools. We're replacing the cabin air filter on our 8th gen Honda Civic, and here is the cabin air filter itself. You can see the part number right here, and all we're going to need to do in order to install the new cabin air filter is to pop open the glove box and replace the cabin air filter. That's it. So let me go ahead and show you how it's done real quick. So here's the glove box for the 8th gen Honda Civic. All you'll need to do is open the glove box, and there'll be 2 tabs at the end of each side of the glove box. And what you're going to do is just squeeze those tabs inward. So let me see if I can do this real quick. There we go. And you just squeeze towards the end on both sides, and the glove box will fall down. And then from here, you have access to the cabin air filter door, which is this guy right here. You just want to squeeze both ends on these tabs in order to open up the door and remove the cabin air filter. As you can see, this one is extremely dirty. I have no idea when it was changed out last, so we're going to go ahead and replace it with a new cabin air filter. Here is the new cabin air filter. You will want to take note on the airflow. You want the airflow to be pointing towards the blower motor. In this case, it needs to be pointing downwards, and we'll just install the cabin air filter onto the cartridge and put everything back together. There we go. That's how it looks installed. And going back in to its spot. Snapped in place right there. So now we're done. Just press the tabs inward on the glove box on both sides at the same time. It's a little hard for me since I'm filming. That's it in regards to replacing the filter. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to check the description section, as I have a link to the cabin air filter that's available on Amazon. But with that said, I appreciate your time. See you guys in the next video. Later.